Hi guys, got a 1998 Ford F150 that I just actually got. Had a problem with the tailgate, so the hinge for the tailgate is actually this one. It's all rusted out, so it just came off. What I did is look for a kit online, which is gonna be 38648. That's doorman. And 38646, same thing, storeman. And 38641, this is the insert. So the 38646 actually goes to the tailgate itself. There is a hole here, so what I did is use a grinder to cut it open, so I can put some actually bolt on the inside part and attach the hinge on the tailgate itself. And the 38648, this one here goes right here. Okay, so you just connect each other, as you can see. There you go. Okay, this helped. Oh, by the way, the one that I actually cut out, that's gonna get covered by this one, so you don't have to worry about it being visible. That's why I didn't cut it right on this part. Alright guys, hope this helps.